From Delhi's Jantar Mantar to global headlines, Sonam Wangchuk hunger strike has become the center of international attention. Leading media organizations across the world are closely watching the protest. Here's our report. Social activist Sonam Wangchuk has been on a hunger strike at Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. He is demanding major reforms in India's examination system after repeated paper leak cases. Protesters are also asking for the resignation of Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and want a transparent and fair exam system. The protest has now attracted the attention of international media. The BBC from the United Kingdom says Wangchuk hunger strike is an effort to awaken the government's conscience. The report says he is following Mahatma Gandhi's path of peaceful protest. It also says hundreds of supporters are standing with him despite the extreme heat. Germany's DW News says the hunger strike is testing the Modi government. The report says Wangchuk's health is becoming weaker, his weight has dropped and his blood sugar level is also falling. It adds that many opposition leaders have visited him, but no senior BJP leader has met him so far. The American news agency Bloomberg described the protest as a rare public challenge to the Modi government. It says the Education Ministry has not responded publicly and there has been no official dialogue with the protesters. The British news agency Reuters says paper leak cases have created anger among millions of young people in India. The report notes that students are demanding a fair and transparent examination system. It also says there has been no official response from the government or the Education Ministry. Pakistan Express Tribune highlighted Wangchuk's statement that he does not see himself as a hero or the Gandhi of the 21st century. He said people should become responsible citizens instead of looking for heroes. The protesters say their main demands are a transparent examination system, strict accountability and the resignation of the education minister. They have also announced a parliament march on July 20th if their demands are not met. The protest is now being closely watched in India and around the world. The government next step is expected to be an important for millions of students. Now all eyes are on the government. Will it listen to the student demands and help end Sonam Wangchuk hunger strike, or will it continue to stay silent? The answer may come in the next few days. Report by Tamanna Rizvi for EMS TV.